If your truck has an SCR equipped engine, you will need to monitor the level of diesel exhaust fluid, DEF, in the additional tank. Make sure to use API approved DEF. DEF is a reducing agent used in the aftertreatment exhaust to reduce the NOx produced by the engine. DEF is a liquid solution comprised of 33% urea and 67% purified water. The system will inject the DEF into the exhaust stream and use approximately 2 to 3% DEF by volume as diesel fuel. So a truck that uses 15,000 gallons of diesel fuel per year would use approximately 375 gallons of DEF.